Hello, welcome back. So in this lecture, we will be starting our first file to start designing our first part. To start, we want to click on this new right here, and I'll just X out of that. So if I hover over it, you see the new. We'll click on it, and this option comes up pretty much asking you which type of file do you want to work on. We have the first, which is a part file, which is if we want to work on a single part, and the image also tells us what a part file is. The next one, we have an assembly, which is when you work on multiple components in one, and we have our drawing. So to start, we want to start with a part file, so we'll click on it and we will click OK. So that is how you start a new file in Solidworks, whether a part file, assembly, or drawing. You just pick the right one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.